Yes, you can come on the stream. You can join, man. Refresh it, come. Yes. Okay. Now see, we have the cubic polynomial. Okay. For this, what we have to do, we have to take the constant first. Okay. And in the rough, we have to see what are the possible factors of 6 are there. So 1 is there, 2 is there, possible factors which 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay. Fine. 6 is also a factor of 6. It can divide 6. So now for this we have to check in which of these numbers this px will give us the value 0. Either we substitute in 1 and we'll check, heat and trial method. We'll substitute 2 and we'll check. We'll substitute 3 and we'll check. We'll substitute 6, we'll check. Even if it won't come, we will go for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6. We will. So let px is this x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now we will check heat and trial method. What we will do? P of 1 we will find and we'll check whether it's coming 0 or not. Come on, you tell me fast how to substitute and tell me the values. 1 cube. Yes, you're sure. Tell me. So how much? Not equal to 0. Okay, so we will check for P of 2, P of 3, P of 6. All will check. But what actually here you can see all are plus, no? All are plus. So whatever the positive value you take, it will never give you 0. No? Yeah, it will get added and it will give some other values except 0. So what we must check, we should check for minus also. Okay, so let us check for P of minus 1. No, P of minus 1. Come on, let us check it. Minus 1. Next what? Tell me the values. Minus 1. Plus 6. Okay, plus 6. . Where is my finger right now? Where is my finger? 6. Now, okay. So what is, okay, fine. What I have written here? Minus 1 plus 3 minus 5 plus 6. So how to solve this? Minus 5 and minus 1 becomes minus 6. And plus 3 plus 6 plus 9. So what value you are getting? Plus 3, which is not equal to 0. Okay. So now we have to check for P of minus 2. No. We will, if we will check for P of 2, it won't give us minus 0, sorry, it won't give us 0. Okay, so let us check for P of minus 2. Why we are sure that P of 2 won't be 0? Because all the terms are plus, all the terms are having the positive sign, so no question of cancellation. Okay, that's why P of 2 we will never get 0. Let us check for P of minus 2. Okay, so P of minus 2, what these are? 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 6 minus 6. What all these are? All these are the possible factors of 6. And what is 6? 6 is the constant in this cubic polynomial. Fine? So let us check P of minus 2. Come on, tell me the values fast. Minus 2 whole cube. Be fast. Plus minus 8. Then 2 to the 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 12. Then minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10 plus 6. Now tell me. Uh, 12 plus 6, 18. That is equal to 0. So we are getting one of the 0. Minus 2 is one of the 0 of this polynomial. Minus 2 is one of the 0 of this polynomial. So we got one of the 0. From one of the 0 we can get one of the factor. From one of the 0 we can get one of the factors. See here, first see here, I will give time to write. See here. If a is the 0, I got no, suppose minus 2 is the 0 or not. 0 of the polynomial is that value of the variable which when substituted makes the complete expression equals to 0. It made no. So what is that value? That value is minus 2. So minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. So if suppose a is the 0 of the polynomial, how can we make the factor from this polynomial? X minus of that 0. X minus a will become the factor. If a is the 0, x minus a is the factor. If minus a is the 0, then x minus of minus a, then it will become plus a finally. Listen. Minus 2 is one of the 0 because it made the complete expression equals to 0. So that's why minus 2 is one of the 0. Now, how to get from the 0 a factor? That we are discussing. From the 0, we have to obtain the factor. Why we want a factor? We want a factor so that we can divide this cubic polynomial from that factor. So from the 0, how to obtain the factor? That I am teaching you here. That if a is the 0, if a is some value and is the 0 of some given polynomial, so we can write x minus that 0. That will become the factor. X minus a will complete become one of the factor of that polynomial. Okay, a can be anything. If suppose a is minus 2, just like here, so what will become? X minus of, in place of a, what should I substitute? What is a? Minus 2. So minus 2 I substituted in place of a. So it will become, when open the bracket, it will become x plus 2. So x plus 2 will become one of the factor. How to obtain from the 0 a factor, understood? That what we were discussing. So 0 we got. Okay. Wait, here I am not erasing. Just first see, understand, and then you will copy. So what we will write? Since p of minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore minus 2 is one of the 0 of px. Any problem till here? Now where are you? 0 of the px. So x plus 2 means x of minus 2. X plus 2 is one of the factor of px. So from this constant we got the possible factors. From the possible factors we found one of the 0. From one of the 0 we found one of the factor. Now what we will do? Now we will divide that px by one of the factor. We were actually, what these are? These are the remainders only. Understanding? These are the remainders only. In this case we found remainder 0. This is the application of remainder theorem only. From this we found that in this case we got the remainder 0. That's why minus 2 is called one of the 0. And from that 0 we got one of the factor. And now that factor is dividing the px. Copy till here. The next question you will explain me. Be careful. So just yes sir won't work. Understand properly. The next question you will explain. Yes. Come on, copy. Copy it fast. Okay, please copy it fast and then we'll see. Now what we will do? We will divide this. Okay, px divided by x plus 2 we will divide. So we had written now after that px divided by x plus 2. Okay. Now what was px? Tell me. What was px? This we have to do, divide this px by x plus 2. Okay. What remainder we will get? Can you guess? Remainder. When we will divide, what remainder in the last we will get? X plus 2 is a factor, no? What remainder we will get? Remainder is 0 we will get. And in this quotient what we will get? A quadratic polynomial we will get. What we will get? A quadratic polynomial. That quadratic polynomial further we will break into linear polynomials. Okay, and those two linear polynomials product and this x plus 2 product will be the three linear polynomial product factorization of this px. Yes, come on, now divide fast. Tell me the values. X cube by x square, x no, or x by x cube. So we get x square. Come on. We'll change the sign. X square then plus 5x plus x square plus x plus 3x square minus 2x square plus 3x square minus 2x square, and then I brought everything down. Come on, next. Next. Wait, man. Okay, copy it. Its work is not done. Copy it. Little. So, okay, fine, no problem. Finished? Now what? Shall I rub this? So when we divided that and we got the 0 and we got something as the quotient, next what we will do? What we were doing? What were we doing? We were factorizing the px. No? We were factorizing that px. Suppose 2 is a factor of 6 or not? See here, factor of 6. Yes, 2 3 is a 6. No? 0. This is our px. No? Here, dividend. This is what? The x plus 2 divisor or not? And what is this? Quotient. This is remainder, okay? So what is the division algorithm? Remember division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Can I write? This 2 and this 3, 2 into 3, divisor into quotient, and plus 0, so no need to write, leave it. Okay? So just like that I will write here px. This was px, no? Dividend was px. X cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. This was our px. What was here? What was here? Yes. X plus 2. And what was in the quotient we got? So can we write this dividend is equal to this into this? Can we write? Okay, okay, take your time. Okay. Can you see me? Hmm? This was our PX dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Can we write? Fine. So, what was our divisor? A dividend. X cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay? This dividend can be written as divisor into quotient. In the division you see in your notebook. Divisor, what was divisor? X plus 2. This was the factor we found initially. So this divisor into quotient. What was quotient? X square plus x plus 3. No, plus remainder, and remainder was 0, so no need to write all that. Okay. So we wrote dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Any problem? No problem. Now see, what actually we were doing? We were trying to factorize this cubic polynomial no into the product of three linear polynomials. So see, we have factorized right now here in the product of two polynomials, one linear, another one quadratic. This cubic polynomial has been factorized into the product of one linear and one quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now what to do? X plus 2 you go on writing like this as it is the rest thing and step by step you go on factorizing it and breaking it into two linear polynomials. Okay, let this all things be as it is, copy it down and try to factorize it quadratic and go on following this step by step. Come on, tell me how to factorize now this. How to factorize? How to factorize this quadratic? Split the middle term, no? So from where to start? From where to start? No, no. Fine, this is clear, no? How to now factorize this quadratic? That I am asking. Simple question. How to factorize this quadratic? From where to start? Middle term. Middle term into two values, yes. So from where do we get the two values? From where do we get the two values? What is the coefficient of x square? Yes, nothing is there. So 1. And what is this constant? 3. Okay, so we got 3. And then we will find all the possible factors. So 1 into 3 only. No other factors. Next is 3 into 1. No. So the two numbers we got 1 and 3. So how will break this? Okay, 1 second. Okay, we cannot do by factorization, that is splitting the middle term. This we cannot break by the splitting the middle term. Okay, because here only two values are coming, 1 and 3, no other values, and from 1 and 3 we can never get 1. From 1 and 3 we can never get 1. So what we will do, we will write this as it is and we will stop. This is the answer. Okay. We cannot right now break from the given formula that we are having, splitting the middle term. We cannot do this. Okay, we have certain other formula, quadratic formula, that is on the 10th standard. We will see. Okay, but not for all, the quadratic polynomials. Some quadratic polynomials can be factorized into linear polynomials using the splitting the middle term. Okay, in that we will do. Here we tried, but we could not, because we have only 1 and 3, and 1 and 3 difference we can never get 1. Okay, so we will stop here itself. Understood how to do? If suppose we can break it, then what we will do? We will go according to the procedure and we will try to break this further into the product of two linear polynomials. Okay, linear polynomials. Fine. And this is already x plus 2 linear polynomial, no? So it will come something like this. So we have factorized this, something like this will come linear polynomial product. Fine. Understood? Now come to exercise 2.4, fifth one. We cannot further proceed, no? We do not have enough formula for the 9th standard, we do not have, so we will stop here itself. Okay, because we cannot split the middle term from the given procedure. Okay, so just copy it, we will stop here itself. Fine. Now fourth one is there? No. Fifth one, no. Okay, just a second, let me erase it properly, rub it. What is the given question? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So this is the cubic polynomial we have. Okay, and what we have to do? Step 1, we have to first find the possible factors of the constant. Step 2, from those possible factors we have to find the 0 of the cubic polynomial. Step 3, from that 0 we have to find the factor of the cubic polynomial. Step 4, from that factor we have to divide this cubic polynomial. Step 5, we have to use the division algorithm and we have to write this polynomial is equal to, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. The quotient will come in quadratic form. That quadratic further we have to break into linear polynomials and then work done. Come on, proceed now. Of course, man. Let py, we cannot take px, okay? Let py 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Fine. Next. So possible factors of, yeah, plus minus 1, both. Plus 1 is also factor, minus 1 is also factor. Anything? Minus 1 or plus 1, what you want first? Okay. P of minus 1. Come on, then tell me. Hmm. Hmm. How much? Minus 2 into minus 1? You are multiplying, no man. Minus 2 into minus 1. You are multiplying, no. How to multiply the numbers? Multiply their signs, multiply their values. Next. So plus 2 and minus 1. Next what? So what will write? Since P of minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore minus 1 is 1 of the 0. 0 of what? 0 of Py. Okay? Next what? Till 0 we have found. From the constant we found the possible factors. From the possible factors we found one of the 0, that is minus 1. What to do with this 0? Next. No x. No x here. Here why no? This polynomial is in terms of y. So everything in fair I am writing. Everything in fair. So why you are writing rough? Why x man? Why no? Y 1. That is, so y plus 1. No, y plus 1 is one of the. What is y plus 1 now? Y plus 1 is one of the px or py. Okay, next what? Now what we do next? We got the factor. Next what? Next what? Hey, say no here. What should I write first? Okay. Now let's divide it. So 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 divided by y plus 1. Okay. Come on. Tell me. Yes. 2y square. Okay. 2y square. Plus y square minus 2y square plus y square minus 2y square. So say how much? Why you are dividing, man? You are dividing this 2y square by y square. Again you started division, man. Oh, you're dividing. What is this? Plus y square minus 2y square. Y square term. How many y square term? 1 plus 1. How many y square term here? Minus 2. So plus 1 minus 2. Can't you solve? Minus 1y square. That one we are not showing. So minus y square. So minus y square. And then rest of the things I will bring everything down. Minus 2y minus 1. Next. Hey, y by minus y square or minus y square by y? Anything you are telling. Sometimes this, sometimes that. What you are doing, man? How much? Minus y. Come on, next. Hmm. Come on, next. It will be minus 2y plus y, so minus y minus 1. Next what? Minus 1. Y1 is a 1, y1 is a 1, so minus 1. Minus 1. Division done. Then the last step, no? Then the last step. Copy it fast, both. Properly copy it. Copy it. Yes. What? No, no. What this coming Friday? This coming Friday you have test for Monday's test for which subject? Okay. Hmm. Yes, yes. By that time we will finish that lines and angles also. Okay. Yes, yes. For this coming week, for this coming week also we will continue with maths. Okay. Okay. You want a class tomorrow? Yes. If we will keep, then we will finish 2.5 also. No. Then from Monday, Sunday we will leave, and from Monday we will start lines and angles. Okay. See, this lines and angles, you won't face so much problem like what you are doing here, no, with algebra, the problem you are facing here. This type of problem you will not face in lines and angles. Okay. Little different, no, completely different topic, no, lines and angles, geometry is there, angles will be there. Yes, so you won't face some problem like this here, addition, subtraction, many things you learn. You might be thinking just 2 units we are going to over, but many things you learned. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of the polynomials. Okay. Yes, so we have studied a lot of things. You just have to keep on revising, don't forget. Copy it fast, we will proceed next. Copy it fast. Finished. Now see. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0, so we will write dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Okay. Now tell me what should I write? Now dividend, that is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to divisor, say y plus 1 bracket into 2y square a minus y minus 1. Okay. Now shall I write this part? Okay. Now tell me how to factorize this. Easy only, not tough. Work done. Yes. Split the middle term. Coefficient of 2y square is plus 2 and minus 1. So plus 2 and minus 1. How much? Minus 2. So for minus 2 we will take 2 only and we will find all the possible factors. So what is the possible factors? Only 1 into 2. Next 2 into 1. Yes. So how to get from 1 and 2 minus 1? No. Here how much? Minus 1y. So we want minus 1 here. Yes. So how can we get minus 1? How should we write this 1 and 2 so that we should get minus 1? A minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2y plus 1y. 1y means y. How much we will get? Minus y. And that we want the middle term minus y. Okay. So now we will write what? Y plus 1 as it is equal to sign as it is, and this we will break. Let us put bracket. Let us put one big bracket. Okay. Right here 2y square, and for minus y what we should write? Minus 2y plus y. And then minus 1. Now come on, next same. Y plus 1 again as it is. Keep the big bracket, and then what to do next? Now don't start talking rubbish, okay? Tell me what is the next procedure to do, what we are doing. Splitted the middle term, next what to do? From where the common terms out? So tell fast, I am ready to write, you tell fast. 2y, okay, fine, good. Then what is left in the first term? If 2y will be taken out, what is left? 2y taken out, what is left? Array, 2y square means 2 into y. No. So 2y is taken out, what is left? Y is left. From 2y square, 2y is taken out, what is left? Y. No. And then minus sign as it is. Then from the 2y, if 2y is taken out, what is left? Then same thing. We have already plus y minus 1 as inside the bracket we have, no? The same thing, plus y minus 1, not even minus y plus 1. Is it there? No. The signs are also same, plus y minus 1. If the signs are different, we should take minus 1 outside, okay, common. If the signs are same, what we should take? Plus 1 as the common. So everything will come as it is inside the bracket. Okay, and then bracket close, done. Open the bracket. Now y plus 1 as it is, you write. Okay, next what? Tell me. Remove the bracket. You are not practicing enough number of times. That's why you are forgetting, man. Y minus 1 here also, y minus 1 here also. So what to do? Y minus 1 common. When we are taking y minus 1 common from this term, we are left with 2y. And here plus and 1 plus 1. Done. Y minus 1 we are taking outside, we are left with 2y plus 1 as the other term. Now we got the three linear terms. Y plus 1 into, we will open this bracket, y minus 1 into 2y plus 1. See, all have the degree 1. So all are linear polynomials. So finally we factorized which 2y and 1? In this you are asking where? This is considered as the complete first term. Which one? 2y, this one term, and plus 1 into y minus 1 as the second term. Okay. In this first term and the second term, what is common? Y minus 1 as a whole is common. Y minus 1 as a whole is common. So y minus 1 I took outside and put in the bracket. Outside the bracket, this is the bracket. Outside the bracket I put y minus 1 as a whole, which was common. So what is left in the first term? If I will remove y minus 1 outside, what will be left? 2y. And from this complete part, if I am taking y minus 1 outside, what is left? Plus 1. So I put in the bracket 2y plus 1. Okay. So I got the product of the three linear factors 1, 2 and 3. Work done. This is the way to factorize a cubic polynomial. Copy it. Yes, properly.